Okay guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Okay, so guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame. This started the downtrend right from the resistance zone at the top right here, at the top right here, sorry about that. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, so it sold till it got to the support zone. The pullback went back down to break out from there, so it has gotten to this region. It's now unable to break out from there, so it started an uptrend right from there. So this is still buying at the moment. Okay, so next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. Started a downtrend somewhere here. You can see the red flag and the red arrows, so it started selling since till it got to this region, this support zone, and of course it's unable to break out from there, so it started a buy trend right from there, so it is buying at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is crash 1000. This started an uptrend from here, got to this region, was unable to go further, so it started a selling trend right from there, so it is selling at the moment. Okay, now let's check out crash 500. Okay guys, this is crash 500. It was on downtrend before but got to this support zone 3 times, was unable to break out from there, so it is starting an uptrend at the moment. So we should expect more of a buying opportunity than the selling opportunity, except if it breaks out below the support zone, that is when it will not buy. Okay, so the next asset is going to be volatility 75. Volatility 75 had been on uptrend, even though the movement was not that smooth. Okay, well, it's been on uptrend, and uptrend it broke out from this particular resistance zone point. Okay, and of course it's has gotten to a new resistance zone. If it's unable to break out from there, it will go back on downtrend, but if it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. So this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out from that resistance zone. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for us to understand every part of the strategies, and of course apply them carefully whenever we are trading. Okay, and for those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you practice the strategies very well before trying them out on your real account. And of course, if you love my content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.